Hi, this is Julie from WordPress Training Island. Today I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress with Bluehost. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an account with Bluehost, then choosing a hosting package and plan, registering a domain, and then installing WordPress to your account. You'll find a link underneath this video to sign up to Bluehost, which will bring you directly to the right page to sign up without being charged extra for WordPress hosting. It'll give you also a discount as you receive a free domain with it. It's an affiliated link, so that means if you sign up, I'll get a commission for it to support this channel with free tutorials. I will also update the description below with any discount codes available for Bluehost. So if I know of any discounts, I'll add them to it so you'll get the best price possible. Bluehost is easy to use. They provide a one-click install for WordPress. They offer 24/7 support, 30-day money-back guarantee on hosting packages, in case you change your mind. Bluehost is the #1 recommended host by WordPress.org, and they power over 2 million websites worldwide. Now, let's have a look how to get started. When you come to Bluehost website, click the Get Started button, and that will open up all the different plans you can choose from. I'd say for today, if you just want to create one website, the basic plan will do just fine. As a basic plan, you can set up one website. If you want to set up multiple websites, you have to go for the Plus, Choice Plus or Pro package. But for today, the basic plan will do. The basic plan gives you hosting for one website, enough storage, customer support, a free domain, free SSL cert, so everything you need to set up your account. You might like to have a look here at auto renewal at regular rates, just for your own information. When you open that, you'll find all information about the renewal, so you can see what's included in which plan. You can also see how much the plans cost and the price of any add-ons. And then, when you scroll down a little more, you find terms and conditions in very simple words. Read this, please, so you know what you're signing up to. Once you're happy with everything, just go back and click Select. Now, here you have the choice. You can either create a new domain or you can use a domain you already own. Or if you're not really sure yet what you're going to go for, you can just click onto I'll create my domain later. Now, this will bring you to the next page where you add your name, your address, all your personal details, including your email address. Bluehost will send the receipt later on to this email address. Here now we come to package information. Which plan would you like to go for? Do you want to sign up just for 12 months, for 24 or for 36 months? Obviously you get the biggest discount with a 36-month plan, but that's up to you. If you decide you're just going to sign up for a 1-year plan for now, you click on that. The great thing is you've got your SSL cert included in all the plans. It usually costs about 70 or 80 quid a year, so it's great. That's already included. Now you scroll down a bit further, and now we come to your package extras. Now there's a CodeGuard Basic. Click onto more information, please, and you can see what CodeGuard Basic is all about. Now in general, it's a good idea to have backups of your work, especially if it's a business website. You've got an option to install your own backup plugin later as well. However, many of them charge a fee as well, and you will have to make sure that it's all set up correctly. So maybe for peace of mind, it might be a good idea you get daily backups, you get monitoring of your site, one-click restore in case your site gets hacked or something goes wrong, and then you can upload the last version, so the backup from the day before. It's highly recommended to have a backup of your site, of your data bank and all your files. So either if you feel comfortable doing it yourself, then you don't have to sign up for it. If you're not too sure, it's 30 quid a year, so it's not a lot of money. I would say go for it. Then there's an SEO tool. I wouldn't click it. There are lots of SEO plugins available which you can install later on, and I will create a tutorial about SEO plugins as well at a later stage. But that's something you can really handle yourself. There's a SiteLock Security Essential, which is a cloud-based security application. You can read all the details here. Now, security of your site is very, very important, especially if it's a business site. Now again, it's 30 quid a year. It's up to you if you like to sign up for it or not. It is optional. Read it for yourself, make up your mind, okay? So then scroll down a little further, put in here your credit card details. Scroll down a little more. Please make sure you've read terms and conditions, cancellation policies, everything. Click yes to both and then click submit. So now we're almost there. Bluehost will email you a link with your hosting account, username and login details. And at this screen here now, we can create our account. If you set up a domain when you created your account, then add the domain name here. If not, leave this blank, please. Now create a password. Make sure this password is very strong, okay? It does tell you here, your password must not start or end with a space, be at least 8 characters, and so on. So let's create something very strong. And then click Create Account. Now here you go, you're almost there. Go to Login. Now log into your hosting account. Add your email address. And the password you just created. It'll take a moment and then you'll be logged into your account. Now here you can choose if you would like to set it up all yourself or you say, I would need a little help, please. Now, what kind of site are you setting up? A blog, online store, business, or portfolio? So it's really up to you. I'd say we click here now on business. Are you comfortable creating a website? We say, a little bit. Now, what kind of site are you setting up? Let's say personal site. What are you creating the site for? For myself. What would you like to add to your site? A blog, a store, about us, resume. A blog for certain, and about us. Now here's the name of your site. You can always change that later on. And the tagline is what your site is all about, okay? My personal story. And I'll show you later on in WordPress how to change that as well. Now we're coming to your theme. The theme is the layout of your site, okay? You have the choice between free themes and premium themes. For now, I'd say there are thousands and thousands of free themes out there, okay? And some of them are really, really good. So let's go with a free theme for now. What would we like? Now you can always change the theme later on, okay? That's no problem. Have a look. What would you like? Are you going to set up a blog, e-commerce business? Is it more for entertainment? You also have filters here on the site where you can filter by, let's say, layout or the different features, whatever you like. Tick them and then try to find a theme which you like. For now, we're just going to pick one. And we can always, later on in your dashboard, you can always change your theme without any problems. If you have a theme in mind, go for it. Otherwise, if you're not too sure, pick one which you like, and then we can always change it later on again. Now we're almost there. I'll show you now how to get to your WordPress dashboard. So there are a few options now to get to your WordPress dashboard. When you're in your Bluehost account, you can click here onto WordPress, or you can click onto My Site and then click Login here. Another way would be, if you're on the front page of your website, you can always just click behind your domain and write wp-admin. That will always bring you back to your dashboard as well. There you go. Here's the same thing now. Here we went from our Bluehost account to our WordPress dashboard. This is what you will see. If you can't remember your WordPress login details, go back to your email account. Bluehost sent you a welcome email, and when you scroll down, you'll find all your account information. Here we go. Now scroll down. You see here on the bottom, there you'll find username, name servers, FTP information. Everything is there, okay? So keep that email. That's very, very important. Now back to your dashboard. For now, I will just show you two quick things in your dashboard, which I mentioned earlier in the video. One is how to change your site title and tagline. So you go here to Settings, General. Don't need these messages yet. Get rid of them. So here you go. See, site title. I called it earlier My New Site. You can just overwrite this now with a new site title and add your tagline as well. Both of them are very important for your reader, but also for Google. Google pays attention to them. When you scroll down, click onto Save Changes. The other thing would be Appearance, Themes. When you go in here, first of all, you see the theme you have chosen earlier, okay? So you can customize your theme here if you like. But also, if you would like to have a look at a different theme, go up here and click onto WordPress.org Themes. Now you'll see 15. I mentioned earlier, there are thousands, aren't they? Click onto Popular and see what happens. Now you've got thousands of themes there. You can also add filters, search for your theme, and then just click Apply Filter. And there you go. And now you can go through all these themes, have a look. When you click on them, you can always click onto Preview or into Details and Preview and check out the theme for yourself. I will soon create a video tutorial on how to get started in your dashboard, so please subscribe to my newsletter on WordPressUncovered.com and my YouTube channel so you won't miss it. Now that's it for today. The hardest part is done. Lots of fun and creative stuff to come. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in a comment below the name of the site you just set up, the theme you used and why you went for that one. Thanks for watching.